We are now in the Technical Data and Services Export Register. So let's take a look at the information that we record here for every export of technical data and for every delivery of a defense service against those agreements that we have just entered. Once again, you can see that the information is very specific, which is why we say that the system itself becomes the procedure that people follow and that automatically raises the awareness of what is required across the corporation. It breaks down barriers of communication because it is a system that they have to understand and that then helps them provide the information that you need. We have the authorization number, and that is export type, export method, and courier. And you'll notice that several of these fields are learning fields that indicate that anything new that you type into them will be recorded for future use. The idea is that you can build a list of choices that reflects the information you want to record, but at the same time the list can grow with new items whenever the individual that is recording the export does not see what they are looking for and enters what they want. We have always found that this enables a higher level of compliance because it allows the individual to record what actually occurred, even if there is not a predefined lookup for it. Again, the information that is saved is whatever is associated with the actual transaction, the event, the parties involved, the exemption or exception used, because technically the export of technical data against an agreement is the use of an exemption, and the countries involved, and often a transaction or an email can involve multiple people in different countries, and certifications, which are things that were required prior to the completion of the transaction, some examples of which might be a security check, perhaps a recording that the parties were subjected to restricted party screening, such as might be done using visual compliance. The system ensures that the parties understand that they have to have those certifications before the transaction occurs. So again, the application becomes the procedure that people follow to ensure that they are in compliance with export regulations. Last on the screen is the document management feature that we saw before, which enables you to either attach or link to any document that is associated with the transaction.